Welcome back to the 12 Weeks of Christmas. This is Trisha Petito. This week we'll be doing a gift card pocket and utilizing this thin cut. At first, when I looked at it, I couldn't figure out what it was, to be honest with you. I knew it was to make gift cards and to put them into projects, but it took me a while to figure out exactly how to do it. So I had to play around with it and figure it out. And it was very interesting trying to figure it out. I'm going to be honest with you. I needed to play around with it. I went onto Cricut Design Space and I found this little pocket, and I will include the link below in my comments. I cut it out with some pretty holly and ivy paper from close to my heart and went ahead and assembled it. I did make sure that my dimensions would be big enough to fit a standard gift card on it when I finished it. So I just made sure my dimensions were the correct sizes. So let's go ahead and assemble this. It is pre-scored. So I just went ahead and folded those areas down and put a little adhesive on it. You just put a little here and then a little bit on the side as well. And that is about all that holds it together. Very simple and easy. I did pick a two-sided pretty pattern paper here. So the holly and ivy pattern paper is on the outside, and then the reverse of it on the other side is on the inside, and that is also what I'm going to be using to put my gift card in there, like that. So this little piece in the inside is what you're going to use the thin cut on right here, and that is the piece we're going to be using. So I went ahead and took it out, and I'm trying to figure out how am I going to cut this on here. I wanted to make sure as I'm pulling it in and out of the sleeve that my gift card wasn't going to fall out. So I figured the up and down version would be best. So my gift card would sit like this, and as people were sliding it in and out of the pocket, it wouldn't easily fall out. So let's go ahead and do our cut, rolling it through our die cutting machine. And as you see, when it comes out, it has those little cuts. That's what your gift card is going to sit in. So once it's cut, that is what it's going to look like. You put your gift card right there, and it slides right into your pocket. So simple and easy, and it worked beautifully for me. Exactly what I wanted. So let's get to the fun of embellishing it. Simple and easy. I used my zip strip from the top of my paper and put a little tiny adhesive on there, and then of course let's do some cute stamping. I used some of my hexagon thin cuts with the stitching around the edges, and then this beautiful stamp set is called A Funny Secret Santa. I loved the little funny sayings on it, so I used the one at the top here that says it was either this or socks. I just thought that was too funny. Perfect for children or adults alike. Kept it nice and simple and easy, and grabbed myself some black ink and stamped it right there on my hexagon thin cut. What's nice about these kind of fun, punny type stamps is that they give people a little chuckle and shows your fun side, and at the same time it shows how personalized these gifts are. It's not something that they would get from a store. It definitely shows your fun side and that you took the time and effort to make something like this for them. It's not just that standard gift they would get from the store. And there we go, a nice stamp to put right there in the middle. And we're going to go ahead and adhere this right on there. I did put a green backing behind the stamp set just to so that it was a little stronger, if you would, and had that extra layer of color behind it. You could have done regular adhesive to this or 3D foam. I chose just to do the regular adhesive. And then just for a little bit of bling after I adhered this on here, I decided after it was all said and done, I wanted to utilize some black hearts. So I got my hearts out. This is some black acrylic hearts, and picked one of my favorites out of it. I chose one of the line hearts and got some of my adhesive, and I just adhered some of that right on the top of my little pocket here. And there we go. That is the finished project. And then I remembered, oh, I have to put a little bit of string on the top of my gift card to make it easy to pull out. Can't forget that. One last cute little part of this project. I picked this twine that had a little bit of gold in it. I thought it would look very Christmassy, and just fed that through there. And I thought that was a nice finished piece to our gift card. And it makes it easy to get in and out, like I said. And there we go. Perfect. Love that. And it fits right in there. And there we are. It was either this or socks. And I went ahead and wanted to show you if we were to flip this around and cut it out all exactly the same way, but flip the paper to the other way, it would look like this. I literally did it the same way, just flipped the paper around and used a different stamp from that same stamp set. Shaking Me Will Reveal Nothing. This is what it would look like. Loved how it was exactly the same, just flipped it all around. And there I had two very quick gifts to utilize. I hope you enjoyed these quick and easy gifts that you can make and send out this holiday season. Please join us next week for our next video, a quick and easy gift that you can also do. I will see you then. Bye.